So we're here today in downtown Toronto visiting one of our completed projects. It's a single-family detached home that we've turned into 4 units. We've added a 3rd-story addition to the existing brick building, and it's looking beautiful, so come check it out. So let's walk you through some of the interior unit. Going up the 2nd level, we have a 2-story unit that opens up to an open concept living space that is connected to the custom kitchen. We have beautiful new windows that have been fully upgraded, and it leads you to the custom kitchen, quartz countertops, brand new cabinetry, luxury finishes in this multiplex. We've also included steps up to an elevated rear patio. Great opportunity to have some amenity space in the heart of the city. Great views of the skyline. And looking upward, we have the 3rd-story addition. And including natural skylights. Great way to bring in a lot of natural light. Up to the 3rd floor, we have a series of bedrooms. And full bathrooms with custom finishes. The main bedroom has custom closet, its own private balcony, and ensuite with a skylight that brings in natural light into this interior space. Going to the basement unit, we have a 1-bedroom apartment in the front half, custom cabinetry, fully finished with stainless steel appliances, and the same high-end finishes to really round out the space. The unit also comes with ductless heat pumps that provide heating and cooling, and a 3-piece washroom, shower tub, custom finishes, vanity. So it's a completely finished 1-bedroom apartment. We also have combined hot water tanks for the entire 4 units. Now we're standing in the ground floor unit. It is also a 1-bedroom unit going up the front door. We have the exact same finishes for the kitchens. We switched it up when it came to the bathrooms to have a different kind of set of finishes here, utilizing some of the existing bathrooms and infrastructure. So we have a standing shower, toilet, and bedrooms. So overall, it's a great main floor unit. Lastly, we have the 4th unit, which is accessed through the rear side, and it's actually a mix of the basement and the rear ground floor combined into a 1-bedroom apartment as well. Utilizing this configuration, we're able to use the existing bathroom, kitchen, really refresh it, but separate it as a fully dedicated 4th unit. So if you like this tour, make sure that you subscribe to BuildX Design. We're happy to be your multiplex and infill development expert. Reach out if you have a project in mind. And as always, subscribe to our channel to make sure that you stay tuned to our latest videos where we share insights into real estate development, architecture, and specifically multiplexes.